At our Unpacked event in August, we unveiled our third generation foldable, the Galaxy Z Fold 2. Today, we're excited to share more about the unique experiences it unfolds. We sized up the cover display of the Z Fold 2 to fill the entire surface. It's noticeably different how much more you can see. The Z Fold 2 delivers seamless screen-to-screen transitions, so users can fluidly switch from the compact cover display to the wider main display without missing a beat. We're expanding the foldable experience on a wider Infinity O display, one with thinner bezels and even more screen. We will continue to extend this to even more apps to give users the unique benefits of this flexible, immersive smartphone. Let's say a friend shares a YouTube video. You can start watching on the cover, and if you like what you're seeing, you can open up your phone to get a better look. And then, if you need to get moving, you can close the phone and keep watching on the go. The transition is so smooth. Another is a fully hands-free experience called Flex Mode. The unique form factor of the Z Fold 2 makes it possible to use the Fold without holding it in your hands and without the help of stands or accessories. We announced Flex Mode on the Galaxy Z Flip earlier this year, and now we're bringing it to the Z Fold 2. On the Z Fold 2, we made the hinge even stronger with sturdy elastics and an advanced cam mechanism that lets you unfold your phone at different angles. The YouTube video is running on the front cover. I can prop it up so my hands are free. Now, watch what happens when I turn the phone around like this. See that? The video automatically transitioned to the top of the screen here. And on the bottom, I can browse related videos or leave comments, all without disrupting the video. Flex Mode works with a wide range of apps you use every day. Take Google Duo, for example. On the Z Fold 2, the screen is even larger than the Z Flip, giving me a wider display for my video calls. And on the bottom, I can control the call and even add more friends. And through our partnership with Google Duo, you can chat in full HD video. That's 1080p resolution with lightning-fast 5G. At Samsung, we pride ourselves on the pro-grade camera experience our flagship phones provide. The Z Fold 2 packs pro camera hardware into a sleek, beautiful package with an ultra-wide lens, wide lens, and telelens. With Flex Mode, you can preview the shots you are taking on the top half of the screen while using the controls on the bottom half. A brand new photography experience, only possible on a foldable phone. The Z Fold 2 also helps you get the best possible video footage. It recognizes the subject of the video and optimizes a shooting frame to make them shine. If there are two people in your shot, the camera will automatically zoom in and out to make sure both of them are always fully visible in the frame. And of course, thanks to Flex Mode, it's easier than ever to capture video hands-free. It has two selfie cams, one on the cover display and the other on the main display. Now you can use the high-res cameras on the back of the Z Fold 2 to shoot a selfie, using the cover display as a viewfinder. With the Z Fold 2, you can even use both screens at the same time. Dual Preview allows you and your subject to see the same preview through different displays, so everybody knows exactly how the shot will turn out before it's taken. Fold users who have told us that once they've experienced multitasking on a wide, flexible display, they can't go back to using a regular smartphone. You can already use up to 3 apps at once and activate multi-active window by dragging and dropping. We even optimize the UI, so you can resize and reconfigure the windows however you want. And with the updates to One UI 2.5, Galaxy Fold users will be able to enjoy these enhancements as well. Now you can access your most frequently used apps with a single touch with App Pair. Let's say you have some apps that you usually use together. Now you can create a shortcut that launches them all at once. For me, that's YouTube, Chrome, and Messages. You can rearrange the apps, and they will automatically adjust themselves to fit. And if you use a custom layout often, you can save it on an app's edge for immediate access. Partnership and close working relationship with Microsoft has redefined the mobile productivity experience for our consumers. You can open Microsoft Excel and PowerPoint simultaneously from within the Office app and work on both files at the same time. Then just drag and drop the chart over into the slide, and that's it. We worked with Microsoft to optimize the Outlook experience, so now I can keep my inbox open on one side and see specific emails on the other. You can also see more of your calendar, check out your day's agenda, and get full details at a glance. We're letting our users personalize their Z Fold 2, which is why we offer Z Fold 2 in multiple colors and custom hinge options. You can really make this one-of-a-kind smartphone your own. You can pick your phone's color and customize its hinge with 4 dynamic color options. Once you've decided on a color combination, you can choose from several accessories, including a soft premium leather case and a slim standing cover made of Aramid fiber. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 and the experiences that come with it can be yours on September 18th. Pre-orders start today, so don't wait to reserve yours now.